Welcome to another episode of The Lash Live. Today is your host, Alice, and we are going to be talking about how to keep our lashes long and healthy in order to keep getting our lash extensions done. Because what is a girl without lash extensions? I'm going to give you guys some ideas and some knowledge on how to maintain that length, that thickness, so that our lash artists are able to apply those extensions without a single problem. So we are going to talk about eating healthy and some of the vitamins that we can take when getting our lashes done. And I have absolutely no problem. Why? Because I know how to maintain and keep my lashes long and healthy. And by saying that, I'm going to share on what I do and what I recommend for you ladies to do on how to maintain that thickness and those full healthy lashes. The first thing that I do, obviously, I watch what I eat. I eat clean, drink my water, take my vitamins, because that is the key to not only our lashes, but our skin, our hair, and just the simple health for a woman or a human in general, not just women. Some of the vitamins that I take are vitamin A, C, D, and E, and you cannot forget your biotin vitamins because that is what keeps our nails, our lashes, our hair, our skin also radiantly glowing. I personally buy mine at Walgreens or at CVS. They have the section aisles where it says vitamins on top, obviously. That's what we're looking for. And you can look for those specific vitamins. I want to say each bottle is like $5 or $6. We are queens on a budget here. And that is really much. You don't need much. I mean, it sounds like a lot. It sounds like 5 different vitamins. But what I do, I keep them in the little tiny things that hold the pills, and it has like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I label them and I take them every morning after I finish having my breakfast, and it's just now part of my daily routine as I get my day going. So always make sure you drink your water, eat healthy, and take your vitamins, not only for long healthy lashes, but for a very long and healthy life, because we want to live lavishly with our lashes. Also, second thing is you want to make sure you're getting your sleep. And avoid rubbing your eyelashes. One thing that we always forget when having our lashes done is, oh, I'm so tired, I want to rub my eyes. Don't do that. Avoid that. As you get used to having lash extensions, you're going to learn how to, I don't want to say learn how to sleep, but you are going to get used to sleeping a certain way. We're not supposed to sleep on our face, and we will eventually try to fight ourselves to sleep on our face. But as time goes, you learn to muscle memory yourself into learning how to sleep and not to rub your eyes. I personally now, when I sleep like this with my hand under my face, and I will wake up with my hand under my face. Why? Because I already kind of know how to sleep, but you don't teach yourself how to sleep, but you will learn how to sleep, because the better you sleep, you will maintain those lashes looking long and healthy. And obviously, please don't rub your eyes. Also, it's not just your lashes, but that is dirty. We don't want to have an infection or a bacteria going into our eyes because of how much we are rubbing them or touching them. So always avoid rubbing your eyes. Here to thank our sponsorships, TheLashSupply, with everything in demand to become a successful lash artist. We have over 15 stores nationwide, but we do have a website filled with absolutely everything that we have in stores as well. You can check us out at TheLashSupply.com, and guess what? You can use my code Alicia10, ALICIA10, for an additional 10% off your entire purchase. So don't forget to check us out, visit The Lash Supply, or visit us online at TheLashSupply.com. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Now, another thing that we can talk about is how to keep our lashes healthy is using growth serum. Here at The Lash Supply, we do offer lash growth serum. Here at The Lash Supply, we do have a lash growth serum that helps our lashes grow. And not only is it going to help our lashes grow, but with our serum, we are able to apply it 24 hours after getting our lashes done. So make sure that you do that after getting your lashes done. A lot of serums, you are not able to apply them when getting your lashes done, But with the one that we have here at The Lash Supply, we are able to apply this 24 hours, so only a day after. So let's say you just love getting your lashes done and you don't like to take a break, then you can purchase our product and you can keep getting your lashes done. Obviously, you might have to do a softer set, nothing too heavy, so that we can give those lashes some air to breathe and grow a little bit longer so it can soak in the lash serum. And by the time your refill comes, you're able to get that voluminous, super full, mega volume set that you always get. I never really heard of a lash serum that we are able to apply 24 hours after getting your lashes done. And after I heard of the one from TheLashSupply, I was like, there's no way, this is insane. Because I personally always tell my girls, oh, you have to take a break. You can't get your lashes done. Your lashes are too thin, too fragile. If I apply lashes, it's gonna take longer for them to come out because they're so unhealthy. But when I heard about this serum, my girls don't have to take a break anymore. They're able to continue getting their lashes done. That's it. So no lash breaks and just using serum. So serum is really important. And not only when you have damaged lashes, you can use serum on a daily basis. So you don't have to wait till your lashes are damaged or unhealthy or too thin or too fragile for you to start using the serum. You can add this to your daily skin regimen because our eyes are part of our face and our beauty.
Hey guys, it's Anna, your master lash artist and instructor for TheLashSupply. I have 10 years experience in the industry. TheLashSupply has been training for 5 years. I've been training for 2. I want to invite you guys to take one of our in-person trainings, whether it's 1 day or 2 day. You're going to enjoy our class a whole bunch. We have so much information to give you that you are going to be learning so many things. Take this class as a lash class boot camp because you're going to be receiving so much info. You guys are going to just love our classes. Trust me, you will not regret investing in yourself. Lash with me. I hope to see you soon.
Castor oil. Another thing that I always say to use is castor oil. That's preferably when you do take a lash break, only because lash extensions are not supposed to have any oils. Sometimes it is okay to take a break. We don't always have to have our lashes done, so we prefer to have those long, healthy lashes, because the longer and the thicker and the healthier our lashes are, the longer we can keep getting them done. So here at TheLashSupply, we do also sell the castor oil. It looks just like this. The way that we apply our castor oil, it comes with 3 little applicators right here on the. We will dip and drop a little bit of oil into the applicator, and we'll just gently apply it into our lashes. That way we can do it for about, let's say, 1 to 2 weeks. And by the time you go back to your lash tech, you're like, okay, she's not gonna send me home because I have long, thick, and healthy lashes. And why? Because we are using our castor oil. So make sure, if you are starting to see that your lashes are a little bit thinner, you're losing a little bit more lashes, it is okay to get a lash removal. It is okay to apply castor oil again as a daily routine for about a week or 2, and before you know it, your lashes will be healthy and you will be ready to get more lash extensions. And our last thing is we can use lash primer. So lash primer is not the primer that our lash techs use to clean out the lashes. Lash primer is a primer that goes along with mascara. Now, yes, I know we are not supposed to use mascara on our lashes, but the Lash Life is not only here to talk about lash extensions. We're also going to talk about not having lash extensions and how to maintain those healthy lashes. So what we can do is we can use lash primer. I don't know if you guys have seen those mascaras that come with 2 different sides. So most of the time those mascaras are the lash primer and the mascara. So that lash primer is what we apply first before applying our mascara. That'll give our lashes those nutrients that it needs in order for us to apply the mascara. And when removing the mascara, our natural lashes don't just fall off. Because without that, when we're removing our makeup from our eyes, our mascara from our eyelashes, we do tend to have to rub too much, and we're pulling off those natural lashes. And what does that do? We break our lashes, we get into our lash cycle, and our lashes tend to take much longer to naturally grow. We already shed natural lashes on a daily basis, so we don't want to pull off those lashes that still have more placement and time on our eyelids. So make sure that if you are wearing mascara for whatever reason and not getting lash extensions, for you to buy the mascara that has the primer so that when you're removing your mascara, it just slides off literally like butter. So with our makeup remover, when we go in to remove it, we'll literally just wipe it and you'll see the mascara just slide off just like butter. Other than that, I think that is about it on little tips and tricks on how to maintain long and healthy lashes. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to overwhelm you guys with too much information, but those are the 5 main tips that I personally use and I am aware about on my day-to-day basis, and not only on my personal life, but I share this knowledge to all of my clients so that we're all on the same page. And like I said, it is completely okay if you have to take a lash break, but always remember that the Lash Supply has the serum that helps our lashes grow long, thick, and healthy while having those lash extensions and not having to take a break. So that's very cool. And with that note, I want to say that is it for today. And like I said earlier, thank you so much for watching us at The Lash Life. And here on our video, I will link down below the products that you are able to purchase at The Lash Supply with the lash serum and the castor oil. And with that being said, make sure to follow us, subscribe, and like, and leave some love little hearts on our comments on our YouTube channel. So follow us on The Lash Life. And that is it for today. Bye.